The death of Xolwana family have left South Africans heartbroken, with social media flooded by emotional tributes and speculations about what really happened. A memorial service for the family was held at the Glen Methodist Church on the 29th of July 2026, where relatives, friends, and community members gathered to pay their final respects. In recent days, social media users have claimed that the tragedy was not the result of a motor vehicle accident, as many had initially believed. Instead, some posts allege that the husband killed his wife and children before taking his own life. At this stage, these allegations have not yet been officially confirmed by the South African Police